Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to turn on SMS of tips and tricks on the application of Grab. To know how to turn on SMS of tips and tricks on Grab app, you should just go to the app of Grab as you see. After that, in this page, you will go down to click in this window of account. When you find this list, you will enter to settings. Then in this page, we go to click communications. After that, you will go to click in this window of this sign here, SMS. If the sign change the green color, then you can know how to turn on SMS of tips and tricks on the application of Grab. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.